Hiring unlicensed contractors in Florida can lead to serious and legal consequences for property owners and developers. Unlicensed contractors can offer lower rates, but the risks outweigh the savings. Here's how to spot unlicensed contractor and avoid liability. First, verify that the contractor holds a valid license from the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation. Licensed contractors are required to meet specific qualifications and insurance standards, while unlicensed ones may lack the proper skills or protections. Warning signs of an unlicensed contractor include demanding large upfront payments, offering vague or suspiciously low bids, or avoiding written contracts. Licensed professionals, on the other hand, will provide clear contracts, detailed project timelines, and proof of insurance. Hiring an unlicensed contractor can result in hefty fines, liens on your property, or even being held liable for accidents or damages. Additionally, Florida law prohibits unlicensed contractors from suing for unpaid work, but they may still face claims that cause legal headaches. To avoid liability, always check for proper licensing, insist on a written contract, and consult with a business law attorney to protect your rights. Don't let the lure of lower cost put your project and your legal standing at risk.